Is it really important to work out your legs? Why everybody hate leg day? Alright, what's going on guys? My name is Angelo. In this video, I'm going through the importance of leg workout, and also I'm gonna show you a simple routine. Even if you're beginner, advanced, you only need those 5 exercises for a full leg workout. Let's get it. Okay guys, this will be our first exercise. Target the glute, hamstring as well. To perform this exercise, you need to position the bar on your back, and you also need to slightly bend your knees, just like this. This exercise, it's not my favorite because I don't really care about the glute muscle, but I know for some people out there, especially the girls, they love having a bigger butt or glute, whatever they call it. When it comes to repetition, you can do just 3 sets of 10 reps. That will work magic for you. Alright guys, this will be our next exercise, front squat. You place the bar on top of your shoulders, just like this. Just make sure the bar in the right position. This put a lot more pressure on your quads. Okay guys, the hamstring will be our next. To target this area, you need Romanian deadlift, or you can do the seated leg curls, just like this. This is exactly how you perform the Romanian deadlift. You need to grab the bar in the middle and slightly bend your knees, just like this. And remember to keep your back straight and go up. Sumo squat will be our next exercise. We're gonna perform this exercise in a specific way to target the inner thigh. Slightly open your leg and rotate your foot just like this. You can now reach out for the weight. Push your knees away from you, just like this. Go slow with control. When it comes to leg, they are the biggest muscle group. Keep them out of training. They will become weak. When you start training your legs, your overall strength will become better. All right guys, I'm not gonna miss the calves because my calves are so skinny. People keep asking me to train them, so see if they can catch up. We're gonna do seated calf raises using 2 dumbbells, just like this. Alright guys, there you have 5 exercises. They are pretty easy. You can start implementing them in your workout today. So if you like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.